Hey guys, and welcome back to another GCSE Maths grade 9 exam question. So here, for question 22, we're dealing with functions. So we have two functions, f and g here. And we're given a bit of information. We know g of 3 is equal to 20, and f inverse of 33 is equal to g of 1. And we have to find the value of a and the value of b. So let's have a go at doing this. There's a few ways, or a few places you can start with this. Where I'm going to start first is just writing out what we know. So we know g of 3 is equal to 20. So what that means is wherever there's an x here, so in this case where it's 3, that means this x here is replaced with the 3. So we know that 3a, oops, I'll just change the colour. So we know 3a plus b is equal to 20, right? We're told that bit there. So we can set up an equation. We're also told that f inverse of 33 is equal to g of 1. So we're going to need to work out the inverse of f of x here. So you need to know how to work out the inverse. So f of x here being equal to 5x plus 3, let's work out the inverse. So the first step that I like to use this is that make it y equals. So it's y equals 5x plus 3. And now what we do is we rearrange to get it in terms of x. So we're making x a subject here. So that means 5x is equal to y minus 3. And then we can divide 3 by 5. So x is equal to y minus 3 divided by 5. And now at the end, make sure you just replace it with the correct notation. So f inverse of x is equal to, and then wherever there's a y here, replace it with the original there. So x minus 3 divided by 5. So that's f inverse. Now, we know that f inverse here of 33 is equal to g of 1. So what do we get when we put 33 in here? So f inverse, oops, that should be inverse, let me just rub that out, of 33, that's going to be equal to 33 minus 3 divided by 5. So 30 divided by 5, that's 6, right? So we know f inverse of 33 is 6, but we know that g of 1 is also equal to 6. So what that's telling us is that 1 lot of a plus b is equal to 6. So we've got another equation here, a plus b is equal to 6. So now notice we've got two equations here with the same variables, so we've got a simultaneous equation. So we can just solve this equation now. And I'm going to eliminate with the b's here. So what that's going to give me is we're subtracting because these are the same sign. So 3a minus a is 2a. The b's will just cancel. 20 minus 6 gives me 14. So therefore a must be 7, right? A must be 7. 14 divided by 2 is 7. And then b, so if a is 7, 7 plus b is equal to 6. So what do we add to 7 to give us 6? Well, that has to be minus 1. So that's the full question, guys. So there were 5 marks for that question. This is the trickiest bit here, finding the inverse, but if you can do that, you'll be okay with that question. So I hope that's okay. If there's anything unclear, just be sure to leave a comment below.